Hey traders, at the beginning of this month I posted this forecast on Euro-Pound pair, and as you can see it nicely played out and the market dropped to the target. And there's just one single condition that helped me to so accurately predict the coming bearish move on Euro-Pound. In this video we'll discuss this rule, I will show you how to apply that in practice and how to improve your predictions in trading. And for our analysis here, we will take again the Euro-Pound pair. Why? Why this pair? Because if we look left at structure, you can see that right now on the daily the price is approaching a very strong key level. You can see that it is a very strong historical level. This 0.87 level was very nicely respected in the past, and we saw the initiation of a strong bullish trend from that structure. So does it mean that if right now the price is trading within that level that we should just blindly buy the market? Does it mean that the bullish wave will initiate just from that point? No, unfortunately, we need something else right here. To accurately predict the initiation of a bullish wave, we need to look for the intraday confirmation, and then we will check the 4-hour chart, and over there I will show you how to catch the initiation of a bullish wave. Hey traders, don't miss your chance to become a member of my premium educational group on a huge discount. It is the first discount this year. It is 40% off on lifetime access to the group. All of the links are in the description below. Just check the Vasily Trader website or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. I really want you to join. So I'm on the 4-hour chart right now, and here your task is to execute the price action analysis and to get what's happening with the market. And as you can see, the price here is very bearish. We are nicely falling right here, and you can see that on the 4-hour the trend is very sharply bearish. And your task right here, most of the time when we see the bearish trend, when we see the intraday bearish or bullish movement, most of the time the market is following at least the trend line or even goes down or up within the channel. And our task here is to identify this channel or trend line. And with the highs, I guess it is quite simple. Over here we take this high right here, and from that we are trying to draw the trend line. And our task right here is to identify the trend line that respected at least 3 times by the market. With my back testing, I realized that this 3 touches of trend line confirms the strength of that, and it guarantees that in future with very high probability the market will respect that trend line. And yes, here we have this trend line right now. It serves as the resistance because the price right now is trading below that. And now let's try to identify some support. Over here, if we take the lows of the market, we can easily identify this falling support. So based on that, we see that Euro-Pound is trading within a falling channel. While the price is trading within the channel, it remains bearish, yes? But remember that somewhere here is the zone that we identified on the daily. Somewhere here is our major strong structure support, yes? And how do we know if that structure support is respected? We should see the bullish reaction from that. Yes, it must be confirmed by a strong bullish reaction. So what do we want to see right here? Right here we want to see the violation of the resistance of the channel. Why? Because it will signify that buying volumes are so strong that buyers are willing to break the structure, and moreover sellers lose the confidence in this falling resistance. Only then the initiation of a bullish wave can start. Yes, and now let's discuss what can be the targets in case of this bullish continuation. Talking about the targets in case of the bullish breakout of the channel, we should rely on structure. Yes, we simply look left at structure, and we look left at structure, and we look which historical level were recently respected. And over here you can see here we have very nice structure level. It can be our first goal, and in case of the breakout of the channel, here we can start protection of our trading position. And then you can see that the next structure is right here. Yes, again you can see by the historical reaction of the market nicely respected that structure. So in case of the bullish continuation above this resistance, then the price can easily go to that. The structure levels just work as the magnet for the market participants. Yes, so in case of the bullish continuation above our first goal, then the market can easily go even higher. And what can be the end goal right here? The end goal right here can be our local structure high. Yes, the point from where this bearish trend within the channel initiated. So over here can be our third goal. So you can see that with the structure, we we identified the goals for our trade, and based on each and every level we can protect portion of our position. Yes, and just if we imagine what can be our position like right here with our safe stop below the structure support, we can get very decent risk to reward for that trade. Yes, so this trade will play out only in case of the bullish breakout of this channel. Yes, it is a very important condition, and if you are patient enough to wait until its breakout, it will give you a very strong bullish signal. But what about bearish scenario? What about the bearish continuation right here? The trend here remains bearish, so why not, some trend followers are still expecting the drop. Let's discuss how bearish continuation, what is the condition here for the bearish continuation. For that, we return back to the daily chart, and here is the structure level that we earlier identified on the daily. Remember that right now euro pound is trading in a very strong bearish wave. Yes, here we see a very strong bearish swing. So in case of a daily violation, the daily breakout of that structure, the daily violation of that structure to the downside, the daily candle close below, it will most likely push the market to lower structure levels. So even if the market then breaks the channel on the 4-hour that we identified, it will be a very bad signal already for us, because the bearish pressure shows us here the dominance of sellers. Yes, for that reason we have here on euro pound two equally possible conditions. We can catch a bullish wave in case of the 4-hour breakout of the channel, and we can catch a bearish wave in case of the violation of that support to the downside. We never know what's going to happen. It always depends on some fundamental news. We won't predict this news. We will just simply follow the market, and you can see that we don't care where the market is going. We can catch that if it goes to the upside or if it goes to the downside. That is how this technique works. Alright traders, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new weekly video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates to record more videos for you. I will see you soon.